Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Jennifer, and today we're gonna be opening up my August Stitch Fix box. So real quick, Stitch Fix, it's an online personal styling service for men, women, and children. You pay $20 whenever you want to have a box styled for you. You fill out a pretty lengthy style profile, which tells them the things that you like and dislike about fashion and your measurements and things like that. Then a stylist gets paired with you. He or she is going to help you to put up to 8 items into your box, and those items can be clothing, shoes, jewelry, purses, whatever you want. So it's really important when you fill out your profile to tell them the things that you want to have sent and what you don't want to have sent to you. Those items get shipped to you for free, and you get to try them on in the comfort of your own home, and you'll decide what you like and what you don't like. If you keep at least one item from your box, then the $20 styling fee gets applied to whatever you're keeping. And if you keep 5 or more items from your box, then you're going to get to apply a discount to the total cost of your box. I get a 25% discount on the total cost of my box, but I do think new customers receive a 20% discount on the total cost of their box. But it still makes for a really good deal. So for this box, I asked my stylist to send me colorful summer items, tank tops, blouses, and things like that. I'm still looking for items that I can wear for late summer. It stays hot where I live until like late October, so I'm still looking for those warm weather pieces. About a week or two before your box is supposed to be sent to you, you should receive an email with 10 items for you to look at, and you'll decide what you want to have put into your box and what you don't want to have put into your box. Let's get into it and see what I got this month. So right on top is my prepaid mailer bag. Shipping is free both ways, which makes it really nice and convenient. You do get to choose whether you use FedEx or USPS, and I use USPS to send my items back and forth. So really simple and convenient. I also have my thanks for letting us style you sheet, and this has a list of the items that are in the box, but it also has a note from my stylist, and I'm gonna read it real quick. Your fix preview made my day, Jennifer. I love how confidently you leaned into bright, happy colors for summer, and it was so fun pulling vacation-ready pieces for you. You chose a great mix of easy tops, from the dark pink Eyelet tee and olive lace Serein short sleeve top to the trio of Eyelet mixed media rib tees in red and yellow. You'll be one of the first to wear this new release. For extra beach week options, I added the pink Market and Spruce mixed media Eyelet dress as a cute one and done, plus the red flag and Anthem shorts to rotate with your navy Just USA shorts from the last fix. The red tiered mini dress you picked is also a great deal right now. If you still want earrings, I didn't get a pair into this fix, but tell me what metals and styles you're craving and I'll prioritize them next time. Have so much fun on your beach vacation. So CeCe is my stylist, and she's been styling me for quite a while, and she does a great job. So let's check everything out. And here's a look at my bundle. As mentioned in her note, lots of bright, colorful pieces, which is exactly what I was looking for at this point in time in the season. So let's check it out. So the first item is by Market and Spruce, a Luna Scalloped Hem Eyelet tee in dark pink. And here's what that looks like. It's a dark pink top, very soft, very stretchy. Kind of has like a cap sleeve. And it has the eyelet detail here down at the bottom. In a previous fix, I did try on a top that had the eyelets here at the top, and I did not like that because you could see what I was wearing underneath. So maybe this will work a little bit better for me. It does have a little keyhole in the back. Just a basic top for this time of year. The next item is by Market and Spruce. It is the Everly short-sleeved Eyelet mixed media ribbed tee in red. And I have this top in navy that I received either in the last fix or a fix before, and I really liked it. So they had some really bright colors like red and yellow, and so I wanted to try those out. So it's a really soft, stretchy top. I love red. It's one of my favorite colors. It has the cute little ruffle sleeve with the eyelet detail. It does have like a ribbed texture on it. Very stretchy, very soft. And I like the navy one so much that I thought, let's try one of these and see what I think. I'm always looking for red tops. I don't have a lot of red, and so I'm excited to try this one on. So to go along with that, I also chose the yellow one because I wasn't sure if I wanted the red one or the yellow one. So here is the yellow one. It's kind of a mustardy yellow. Again, I don't have a lot of yellow tops in my wardrobe, so I thought this would be a good one to try. Same details, same ribbed texture. So we'll see which one I like better. Next item is an item I picked. It's by Serein, the Abbis short sleeve top in olive. And I thought this one would be good for like transitioning into fall. Again, it's very soft and stretchy. It does have the little double like flutter sleeve here because it has 2 like tiers there. It's olive with kind of a cream background. There's an up close of the print. It does have like a little ruffle detail here. It might be kind of hard to see. Very stretchy. So yeah, I think that'll be great for transitioning into fall. The next item is by CeCe Sportswear, the double ruffle crew top set in magenta. So a basic pink top. So I doubt that I'll keep both pink tops, so I'll have to see which one I like better. Again, this one has like the double ruffle sleeve. This one is a little bit more dressy, where the other one is a little bit more casual. Very stretchy. Kind of looks short, so I'm not sure about that because I like my tops to be a little bit longer, but we'll see. The next item is a dress by Market and Spruce, a Flutter sleeve tiered mini dress in red, and this was in my saved list, and it's on sale for like $29 right now, which I thought was a really good deal. So it's this solid red dress. It does have like a little flutter sleeve. It does have some ruffles around the neckline. It's got a V neckline. Has like a line here in the middle and some tiers down here at the bottom. I don't know what this is made of. Let's check it out real quick. The dress is lined, which is nice. All right, so the self is 100% polyester. The lining is 96% polyester with 4% spandex. So I'm kind of surprised by the material there because it kind of feels cottony, so kind of shocked. But cute little basic dress. I'm excited to try that on, especially for the good price that it's going for right now. And so I chose all of these, the 4 tops and the dress, from my fixed preview. The next 2 items my stylist added into my box. And the next one is a dress by Market and Spruce, the Matty Mixed Media Eyelet dress in pink. So here's that dress. So the top of this dress looks very similar to the red and yellow tops that I chose for my fixed preview. It has a little Flutter eyelet sleeves, stretchy ribs middle. It does gather here in the middle. And then it has this eyelet detail on the bottom, which is cute. It is lined. So I'm not sure. We'll have to see what I think about it. It's a cute little dress, so I'll try that on and see what I think. And then the last item is a pair of shorts, which I'm always looking for jean shorts, but this is a pair of jean shorts by Flag and Anthem, the Shelby cuff denim short in red. And here are those shorts. I'm not necessarily looking for a red short like this right now. The one thing that's kind of turning me off is this kind of like lighter cuff here at the bottom. So I'm doubting that I will keep these, but I will try them on and we'll see what we think. We'll have to see. All right, guys, I'm getting ready to do a try on and I'll be right back. All right, guys, I'm back with the first item. I have on this top by CeCe. It is a hot pink flutter sleeve top. It does have like the little double flutter sleeve here. It does have a rounded neckline with like a little band right here at the top. It's a basic solid top. It is a little dressier because of the sleeves. It's made of polyester, but it does have some stretch in it, so it probably has some spandex in it too. It comes down to about right here. I do wish it was a touch longer because I tend to like my tops to be a little bit longer. Do you think it's too short on me? Back is just plain. I think it would be good to dress up with like black dress pants for work. What do you think about this particular color on me? I love pink, but I don't usually wear this hot pink. So you guys tell me what you think. I just paired it with the jean shorts that I had on from my last fix. I wouldn't wear it with just basic shorts like this. I'd probably dress it up a little bit more so. But you guys tell me what you think. I'm gonna try on the next top and I'll be right back. All right, back with the next top, and this one is by Serein. It is olive and like a cream color. I don't know how you would describe the print. You guys tell me what you think about that print. It does have like a ruffle detail here with some tiered ruffles here on the sleeve. It has a really nice soft rib texture, very stretchy. Again, it comes down like this. I do wish, again, that it was a touch longer, but again, I just paired it with my jean shorts, but I wouldn't pair this normally with these jean shorts just for the sake of the try on. I left them on. Again, just a basic back. Can you see the extra ruffle right there? Like a ruffle and then the flutter sleeves. So I do think this one is going to be good for transitioning into fall. I'd probably pair it with like black or khaki pants. So what do you think about this top? All right, I'm gonna try on the red top and I'll be right back. All right, guys, I'm back with the red Market and Spruce Eyelet Flutter sleeve top. I do have this in navy and I like it. It has the rounded neckline, the cute Eyelet Flutter sleeves, soft, stretchy ribbed material here on the top. Very stretchy, very comfortable. Basic back. The length is about the same as the other tops, so I don't have real long tops this time, which is okay. I do love this red, but I don't know if I need this red top and that red dress, so we'll have to see. Again, I don't have like a solid red top, so I was kind of thinking this might work for that, but I also don't have a yellow one. So I'm going to try on the last pink top with these shorts, and then I'll try on the yellow top with the red shorts. So I'll be right back. All right, guys, here is the second pink top. It's not quite as hot pink as the other top. It is a basic kind of cap sleeve top, rounded neckline, soft and stretchy, but it has the little scallop hem detail and with the eyelet detail down here at the bottom. Again, I tried that one on that had the eyelet detail at the top. Didn't like that. This is much better. You only get the scallop hem and the eyelet detail on the front and not the back, so the back is just plain. This is definitely a more casual top than that first hot pink top, but which one do you like better? I would like to hear your opinion. All right, I'm gonna try on the red shorts with the yellow top and I'll be right back. All right, guys, I'm back with the next two items. I have the yellow version of the Eyelet Flutter Sleeve Top by Market and Spruce. Same rib texture, exactly same top. Which color do you prefer on me, the yellow or the red? I was kind of thinking the yellow might be good for transitioning into fall, since it's more of like a mustard yellow, but you guys tell me what you think. I did try on the short side Flag and Anthem. They are very comfortable. They fit well in the waist. They are stretchy. They are a good length for me, probably about 4 or 5 inch inseam. The one thing that I don't love about them is this white cuff here, and you cannot roll that down. It is stitched on the inside and outside of the short. I wouldn't mind a pair of red shorts, but these are almost like an orange red, so I don't know that I love that either. So I probably wouldn't pair these two together, but for the sake of the try on, I did. All right, I'll be right back with one of the dresses. All right, here's the dress by Market and Spruce with the fluttered sleeves, the V-neck. It does have like a tiered look here. I do think I really like this dress. It does come below the bust, and then it has like the tiered look down at the bottom. I do like that the dress is lined, which is nice. I do think the length is good. It's a couple inches above my knee, but I don't think it's too short. I do love the red, like the V-neck. The material, again, it says it's polyester, but it feels very cottony, which is interesting to me. I think I like this dress. What do you guys think? All right, I'm going to try on the dress that she sent, and I'll be right back. All right, guys, I'm back with the dress that she picked out, and she picked out this dress by Market and Spruce with the mixed media eyelet flutter sleeves, very similar to the two tops that I chose for my fixed preview. Again, rounded neckline, rib stretchy middle here, eyelet flutter sleeves. I would say the color is like a dusty pink, which I do like the color. It does have like this elastic right here. You have this eyelet detail on the skirt. The skirt is lined, which is nice. The length of the skirt is right above my knees, very similar to the same length as the red dress. Neither dress had pockets, but that's okay with me. So what do you guys think about this particular dress? All right, guys, I'm going to get changed. I'll be right back, and we'll talk about prices and do a recap. All right, guys, I'm back to do a recap and talk about prices. And I have some tough choices to make here that I'm going to need some help with. So let's take a look. First off, I have the Market & Spruce Matty Mixed Media Dress in pink, and the cost of this is $68. That was this dusty pink dress. I did like it. I think it's very similar to the tops that I chose in my Fix preview. How did this look on me? Did this dress accentuate my midsection, or was it okay? Do you think I should keep this? Let me know. The next item is by Serein, the Abbis short sleeve top in olive, and the cost of this top is $45. I do like this olive green top. It was very soft, stretchy. I do like the extra ruffle and flutter sleeves. It's a thicker material. I think this is going to be great for transitioning into fall. I do think this top is a keeper, but you guys let me know what you think. Next is by Flag and Anthem, the Shelby cuff denim short in red, and the cost of this short is $59.50, which I think is a decent price. I do like the way these shorts fit. I thought they were comfortable and stretchy. I'm not a huge fan of the orange red color of the short, and I definitely did not like that you could see this white part of the short with the roll cuff, but it is stitched, so you cannot roll that down. So I do think I'm going to pass on these, but you guys let me know what you think. The next item is by Market & Spruce, the Luna Scallop Hem top in dark pink, and the cost of this is $45. And that's this top right here that had the little eyelet detail scallop hem. It's a cute little basic top. I will not keep both of the pink tops, so you guys tell me which top you liked better, this one or the next one. The next item is by CeCe Sportswear, the double ruffle sleeve top in magenta, and the cost of this is $59. And that's this top right here. It is a little bit more of a dressier top based off of the texture and things like that. Which pink top did you prefer? This one, the dressier one, or the more casual one? And the next two items are the same items by Market & Spruce, Everly short sleeve mixed media ribbed tank top, one in red and one in yellow. Do I get the red or do I get the yellow? The yellow, I think, kind of leans towards fall, so what do you guys think? Which one? And if I didn't say, the cost of those tops are $45 each. And then the last item is by Market & Spruce, the Flutter sleeve tiered dress in red. And this one is $29.97, which I think is a steal. It comes in this red, but it also comes in blue. And I think both colors are on sale right now. I like the way this one fit. I definitely think I'm going to be keeping this one. All right, so my stylist pick subtotal was $396.47. If I buy 5 or more items, I get that 25% discount. And if I were to keep everything in this box, it would be a discount of $99.12, giving me an order subtotal of $297.35. Shipping is free. I don't have the styling fee because I have the Style Pass. So my final total for this box is $297.35. I am not going to be keeping everything. When I get these 8-item boxes, I tend to keep 5 or 6 items from the boxes to keep my price a little bit more reasonable. So you guys tell me what you think. What 5 or 6 items would you keep from this particular box? All right, guys, I am going to leave my referral link in the description box below. This link is good for first-time men and women customers for Stitch Fix. If you click on that link, you'll get $25 to put towards your first box. So basically, you will get your styling fee waived, and then you'll be able to get a box shipped to you for free, and then you try everything on, and you'll have that $25 to apply to whatever you keep. What I love about Stitch Fix is you only pay for what you keep, and then you use the prepaid mailer bag to send everything back, which is nice and convenient. If you use that $25 link, then I do get a $25 credit to put towards my next fix. So if you do that, thank you very much. If you have any questions about Stitch Fix, let me know. And until next time, bye guys.